Ever wondered if that free investment app you downloaded is actually safe? Let's face it, handing over your hard-earned cash to a digital platform feels a little risky. Especially with all the horror stories about online scams and dodgy financial institutions. So, if you've been eyeing Wealthsimple as your gateway to the investing world, you're probably asking yourself, is Wealthsimple financially sound? Can you trust them with your future? The Wealthsimple Lowdown. Wealthsimple has taken Canada by storm. This fintech giant promises a user-friendly, commission-free way to invest your money. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not necessarily. Wealthsimple boasts over 2 million users and a whopping $38.7 billion in assets under management, AUM, as of March 2024. That's a serious vote of confidence. But what does that AUM number really mean? Think of it like this: the higher the AUM, the more money people have entrusted to Wealthsimple. It shows that investors see them as a legitimate platform. Who's behind the wheel? Let's take a peek under the hood. Wealthsimple is a privately held company, meaning its shares aren't traded publicly on the stock market. However, that doesn't mean there's some shady back-alley operation. They've secured funding from some heavyweights in the financial world, including Power Corporation of Canada, a major financial institution with a solid track record. This backing from established players suggests that Wealthsimple is a serious contender, not some fly-by-night startup. Security measures, Fort Knox or cardboard box. Alright, so Wealthsimple has the financial backing, but what about the security of your actual money? Here's where things get technical. Wealthsimple uses industry-standard security measures, including encryption and two-factor authentication. This helps keep your login information and funds safe from prying eyes. But here's the key takeaway: Wealthsimple itself doesn't actually hold your money. They partner with reputable, third-party custodians. These are basically high-security vaults that hold your investments on your behalf. Think of them as the Fort Knox of the financial world. What about the not-so-sunny side? Now, let's get real. No company is perfect, and Wealthsimple is no exception. Since they're not a bank, your cash technically isn't covered by deposit insurance. This means if the custodian they use goes belly up, there's a chance you might lose some money. However, the likelihood of that happening is very low. Custodians are heavily regulated and take their security measures extremely seriously. The verdict: friend or foe? So, is Wealthsimple financially sound? Based on the evidence, it appears they are. They have a solid track record, strong financial backing, and robust security measures in place. But remember, investing always carries some level of risk. It's important to do your own research and understand your risk tolerance before diving in. Wealthsimple might be a great platform, but it might not be the right fit for everyone. The final word. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust Wealthsimple with your money is up to you. We've armed you with the information. Now it's time to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision. Happy investing! With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.